that Ima always put these events on for the community.
Thank you very much, Ima, for this event. A chance to gather with the family, with the friends, and also to have a break from this heat.
Today in the evening, it's an amazing place to spend time with my family.
Cold or was it warm rain?
Do you like it?
You like it?
Yes.
Have you had a good time today?
It's very good time. We love it actually. The way they have organized it. Amar has done a pretty good job for us and children have enjoyed a lot.